Recently, I was reading the commentary of the All-Creating King Tantra, Kulayaraja Tantra, the later part of which covers many great qualities of Vajrayana teachings. It quoted scriptural evidence from the Great Treasures Collection Tantra, saying, "The practitioner who carries a tantric text with them is no different from an emanation of Vajradhara. The practitioner who chants mantras and reads tantric texts can experience the true meanings. The practitioner who handwrites about tantras enjoys the teachings of Tathagatas." The Definite Meaning Tantra says, if one generates faith in Vajrayana and upholds it, all Buddhas will bless him. He will attain an endless treasury of fortune and merits and achieve the fruition of the future in this lifetime. For example, originally it would take hundreds and thousands of kalpas for you to attain liberation. However, with the blessing power of Vajrayana, you may achieve fruition much sooner.